Okay, polling locations just under 45 minutes away from closing up shop for today's primary elections, and there have been only minimal hiccups at precincts across McLennan County.
But nothing enough to deter voters from casting their ballots. Our 6 News reporter Mike Rogers has been checking out several polling locations across McLennan County and joins us now live with the very latest. Mike?
Yeah, Chris and Lindsay, just a couple of mechanical and logistical issues at a couple of polling stations across McLennan County. Now, here at the convention center, because of an event that was going on, they actually had to move the voting room to just around the corner. Behind that tan wall is where voters had to go in to cast their ballots. And at one of the other polling locations, the Waco multi-purpose facility, one of the computers that was being used to check voters in actually went down, but that not really disturbing the flow of voters coming in and out today for the process. Now, at both the convention center and the multi-purpose center, they saw into the triple digits of people coming out to cast their primary ballots. The frustrations here at the convention center because of the change in venue has been over a lack of signs directing voters from the front door to the voting room. The 25th Street Fire Station polling location also had to be moved to Calgary Baptist Church. So a couple of changes across the county. But at the Waco multi-purpose facility, co-judge Gwendolyn McNuckles-Wilson says they've used the past 2 weeks of early voting to work out all the kinks, and the process went smoothly today.
Well, most of it was our learning curve. I think the election office has done a tremendous job in preparing for this and also in their support. So it was most user needing to learn what to do to correct it. And so I personally, this is my 5th year. I'm very, very happy with the process.
And of course, some very big races on the ballot here in McLennan County today, including the sheriff's office race, Rich, you just heard about. And the McLennan County Elections Administrator says they'll be posting the early voting numbers as well as mail-in ballot numbers around 7:30 today. And if you want to check out those results live, you can visit McLennanco.com. Reporting live, Mike Rogers, 6 News.
All right, thank you so much, Mike. Again, in McLennan County, Pat Curry and Debbie Duke vying for Doc Anderson's seat. Another big race that we'll be watching tonight.
And if you get in line before 7 o'clock, you will be able to vote, even if it goes past that time.
All right, stay with us, everybody. Your full forecast from Matt is coming up next.